Did you know that colon cancer ranks among the most common types of cancer worldwide? It's a sobering thought, but it's an important one to acknowledge. You see, colon cancer, also known as colorectal cancer, is a formidable health concern affecting millions around the globe. Now, when we say colon cancer, we're talking about a type of cancer that begins in the large intestine, which is the final part of the digestive tract. In most cases, it starts with small non-cancerous clumps of cells called polyps. Over time, these can develop into cancerous cells if not detected and removed during early stages. Understanding this prevalent disease isn't about fear, but about empowerment. The more we know, the better equipped we are to recognize the early symptoms, seek medical advice, and take preventive measures. That's why we're here today. This video is designed to shine a light on the often overlooked symptoms of colon cancer. We'll delve into 8 symptoms of colon cancer that everyone should be aware of. From changes in bowel habits to unexplained weight loss, we'll explore each symptom in detail, helping you understand what to watch out for. Remember, these symptoms do not necessarily indicate cancer. They could be due to other health conditions as well. However, if you notice any of these symptoms persisting, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. Early detection plays a crucial role in the successful treatment of colon cancer. The earlier it's caught, the higher the chances of successful treatment. This is why understanding and recognizing the symptoms is so vital. It's about taking control of your health, being proactive, and not leaving anything to chance. And so, as we embark on this journey of understanding colon cancer, remember that knowledge is power. It's the power to recognize, the power to act, and ultimately the power to save lives. Awareness is a key step in early detection and treatment, so do stick around to learn more. The first symptom we will discuss is changes in bowel habits. This symptom can manifest in several ways. You might experience bouts of constipation where your bowel movements become less frequent and stools become hard. On the other hand, you may face episodes of diarrhea where stools become loose and watery. Sometimes there's a noticeable narrowing of the stool, almost pencil thin, which might be a sign of a blockage in the colon. Another common manifestation is a feeling that the bowel does not empty completely, even after a bowel movement. This symptom is often associated with a sensation of discomfort or bloating. Now, it's important to remember that these changes can also occur due to less serious conditions like dietary changes or a stomach bug. However, if you notice these changes persisting over a long period, it's essential to take note. If you notice any persistent changes in your bowel habits, it's important to consult a doctor. Another common symptom of colon cancer is the presence of blood in your stool. This symptom can manifest in a variety of ways. Sometimes it's evident as bright red blood clearly visible on the toilet paper or in the bowl. Other times it might cause your stool to look dark and tarry. But remember, not all blood in the stool is visible to the naked eye. In some instances, the blood might be mixed with the stool, causing a change in color without being immediately noticeable. This is known as occult blood. Despite its inconspicuous nature, occult blood can be a significant symptom of colon cancer. Therefore, if you notice any changes in the color, consistency, or appearance of your stool, it's crucial to seek medical attention right away. Remember, blood in your stool should never be ignored. It requires immediate medical attention. Abdominal discomfort is another symptom associated with colon cancer. This discomfort can manifest itself in various ways. It could be a constant ache, a sensation of cramping, or even a feeling akin to severe gas. You may experience these discomforts anywhere in the abdominal region. It's not just a fleeting discomfort that resolves within a few hours or a day. Rather, it's a persistent discomfort, a nagging sensation that doesn't seem to go away despite your best efforts to alleviate it. It's important to remember that abdominal discomfort is a common ailment. It can be caused by a variety of factors, from a simple upset stomach to more serious conditions like colon cancer. Therefore, it's crucial not to jump to conclusions. However, if this discomfort persists, it's always a good idea to seek medical advice. While everyone experiences abdominal discomfort occasionally, persistent discomfort should not be overlooked. Persistent fatigue can also be a symptom of colon cancer. Now, when we talk about fatigue, we're not just referring to feeling a little tired after a long day or a poor night's sleep. This is a profound, relentless exhaustion that doesn't get better with rest. It's the kind of fatigue that seeps into every corner of your life, leaving you feeling drained and devoid of energy, even after a full night's sleep. You might find it difficult to perform simple tasks like walking up a flight of stairs, or even just getting out of bed. This kind of fatigue can be a result of the cancer using up your body's energy resources. Or it could be due to anemia, which is another common symptom of colon cancer. Remember, fatigue is a common experience for many people, but if it's persistent and unexplained, it's worth bringing up with your doctor. If you're experiencing persistent fatigue, it's worth discussing with your doctor. Unexplained weight loss is another symptom to watch out for. It's not uncommon for people to lose a few pounds here and there, but when the weight loss is significant and unexpected, it may be a cause for concern. This kind of weight loss happens without any changes in your diet or exercise routine. For instance, you might find that you're losing weight despite eating the same amount of food or even more. You might also notice that you're dropping pounds even though you're not working out any more than usual. It's as if your body is working overtime, burning calories at an unusually high rate. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean you have colon cancer. There are many conditions that can cause unexplained weight loss, including stress, thyroid issues, and diabetes. But if you're experiencing this symptom along with others we've discussed, it's crucial to get it checked out. Unexplained weight loss should always be checked out by a healthcare professional. Nausea or vomiting is another symptom of colon cancer. It's not the most pleasant topic, but it's crucial to understand. This symptom might present itself in a seemingly random fashion, making it easy to dismiss as something less serious. However, in the context of colon cancer, nausea or vomiting can be a sign of a blockage in the colon. Imagine a roadblock on a busy highway. Traffic piles up and can't move forward. Similarly, when a tumor blocks part of the colon, it impedes the natural flow of digested food and waste, causing discomfort and potentially leading to nausea or vomiting. It's important to note that these symptoms alone don't definitively diagnose colon cancer. They could be due to other, less severe conditions, but if nausea or vomiting persists, especially in conjunction with other symptoms we've discussed, it's a red flag. Don't ignore these signs. Persistent nausea or vomiting, especially if you're also experiencing other symptoms we've discussed, is cause for concern. Anemia is another symptom that can be linked to colon cancer. But what is anemia? It's a condition that develops when your blood lacks enough healthy red blood cells, or hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a main part of red blood cells and binds oxygen. If you have too few or abnormal red blood cells, or your hemoglobin is abnormal or low, the cells in your body will not get enough oxygen. Symptoms of anemia like fatigue or weakness may be easy to overlook. Now, how does this connect to colon cancer? Well, colon cancer can lead to blood loss over time, which can result in iron deficiency anemia. This type of anemia is usually detected through a routine blood test. If you're diagnosed with anemia, your doctor may order further tests to investigate the cause, which could potentially be colon cancer. Anemia can be a sign of many health conditions, including colon cancer, so it's important to have it checked out. The 8th symptom we're discussing today is shortness of breath. This can often be a deceptive symptom as it can be associated with many other health conditions. However, when experienced alongside other symptoms of colon cancer, it might serve as a significant clue. Shortness of breath can manifest in different ways. You might feel winded or breathless after performing tasks that usually don't tire you. Alternatively, you might notice a constant feeling of being unable to catch your breath. So why does this happen? Well, shortness of breath can be a sign of anemia, a condition characterized by a decrease in the number of red blood cells. Anemia can be a consequence of colon cancer, as the disease can cause internal bleeding, leading to a drop in your red blood cell count. Shortness of breath, especially when combined with other symptoms we've discussed, should be evaluated by a healthcare professional. In summary, we've discussed 8 symptoms of colon cancer today. From changes in bowel habits to blood in the stool, abdominal discomfort, fatigue, unexplained weight loss, nausea or vomiting, anemia, and shortness of breath. Each of these can be a sign of colon cancer, a disease that affects thousands of people each year. Remember, these symptoms might be caused by something other than colon cancer. However, if you notice these symptoms, it's crucial not to ignore them. Early detection is the key to a successful treatment and could potentially save your life. It's better to seek medical advice and find it's nothing serious than to ignore the symptoms and find out too late that it's cancer. Health is a journey, and we're all in this together. If you're dealing with any of these symptoms, know that there's a community here for you. You're not alone. There are resources and support available to you. Knowledge is power. The more we know, the better we can protect ourselves and our loved ones. So stay curious, keep learning, and always listen to your body. It might be trying to tell you something important. In the end, it's all about raising awareness. By sharing this information, you're contributing to the fight against colon cancer. So let's keep the conversation going. Your input matters. Share your insights, questions, or even your own journey in the comments section below. I'm here to engage with each and every one of you, so don't hesitate to drop a comment. Let's build a supportive community together. If you enjoyed this video and got any value from it, please like and subscribe for more quality content. Your support means the world and helps us continue to bring you informative and helpful videos like this one. And remember, your health is your wealth. Take care of it. Thank you.